Hey, and welcome back. So the printers are running in the background, printing more of me, but I think the mic here picks up just me. So it's a foot. Well, it's a big foot. Maybe a little off scale. I don't know. This is probably not bad. Probably okay. Going to fit. You're gonna love this, but there's your thumbnail right there. Huh? So I'm printing myself here, and as you can see, there's a lot of not great things about the feet here. I said that was a problem, and I have a 3D pen, so I'm gonna smooth out and fix. And I expect to use double the time of the print just to polish off the things. There's a lot of issues. There's my head, teased a little bit in the post, and I keep thinking it's too big, and it's maybe not totally in scale, and probably I don't know. But again, if I like take an ear and see, okay, how big is that contra my real ear? It's the same, so it'll probably be a little off scale, but that's okay. As you can see here, for instance, behind the ear here, it's very rugged, very like low poly, and that ear fact is better than this one. And I have a fracture in my skull here. But I'll close all that up, and I have to paint it and sand it and do a lot of stuff. So I think it'll be okay. I have some of my, I think it's shoulder here, maybe the other side of another shoulder. What? Maybe it's the other side. Probably is. Ah. Let's see. Maybe this one. Could be. Yeah, it is. So this is like shoulder going out to the arm. Probably see like this. Huh? Yeah. And I have the other side too, and I'll glue them together. So that's one pair. Other one here. Here. So that's damn. I'm fat. Well, I am what I am. I also have the big arm here. That's this one. Maybe. Yeah, some not so great printing here. And again, I'll smooth everything. I think I'll just. I think I'll take my time and really enjoy doing all that. Yeah. Look at the muscles, huh? Ooh, big boy. I actually have, like most people, two arms. So here's the other one. How the hell? Like that. With my watch on. See? I have to prepare that because that's damn bad. It is what it is. Next time I'll start with if I'll do it again, I'll start with a better scan. All the fingers are webbed. They are not in reality. So I have to cut them off too. So a lot of gluing still, and I use like a normal cheap universal glue like this, or I have used this most. It's just a normal super glue. So yeah, and then glue it together, and then duct tape strips and hold it together, and then we go. About the weight, I would like that it stands on its own. So I was considering, because like you see, there's holes in here. It'll be stopped here, and then maybe fill something in here. Maybe sand, and then some glue down, and make a hard base. I don't know. I'll figure that out. I did it on the other arm. I did as a test. I filled it with like bolts. That worked really well, and then glue on top, just normal wood glue to fill all the gaps. But it's not perfect. So maybe if you have any ideas, let me know. Leftover filament from end of spools. I'm using my print gun or 3D pen, and yeah. So that's it. I think it's very fun project. There's some parts here. I think some of my belly or something like that, and I have no idea what this is, but I'll figure it out. It's like a jigsaw. It's very fun. Yeah. So till the next update. Bye.